Hey, what's up guys, Luke Profit. So you're dropshipping on eBay. A buyer ordered something from you and now they want to return it for some reason. You thought you'd be able to just send them a prepaid Amazon return label so that they could return it straight to Amazon, but for some reason they mailed it and it's just already approved and is going straight to your house. How can you fix it so that in the future stuff won't show up at your house and you'll actually be able to give them the prepaid Amazon return label? Luckily, it's super easy. You just go to return preferences on eBay. There's a link in the description that you can click and it'll just take you right there as long as you're signed into your account. What you want to do is just scroll to the bottom of the page and there'll be this little thing that's like a checkbox for RMA number. So you're going to go ahead and check that and turn that on. And then what that does is it just keeps eBay from automatically approving returns. They have to wait for an RMA number. So you don't actually have to give them an RMA number, but by checking that little box, it gives you the option and it makes stuff, it keeps eBay from automatically approving the returns and having them buy a label to have it sent to whatever your return address is. So now with that setting checked, eBay won't just automatically approve returns. They'll have to give them an RMA number. And then when you go in to approve the return so that the buyer can ship it back to you, you'll have a bunch of different options. You can say, I already sent the buyer a label. You'll have an option to upload a label, which is what you're going to want to use, or you have the option to like buy a label for the buyer. So just checking that one little box fixes it in almost all situations. You might want to refresh the page because you don't have to save it or anything. It's just you check it and then it's saved. So just like I would refresh a couple times, just make sure that it actually like got it and locked it on there. I'd also recommend that you double check your business policies and make sure that it's set to seller pays return shipping, because if you have it set to buyer pays return shipping, then obviously the buyer has to pay the return shipping and buy a label, and then it's going to go to whatever your return address is and not Amazon. I talk about that stuff a little bit more in my other video, should you offer free returns or make the buyer pay? Just search it on my channel and it explains a little bit more about what you should do. Now there is one other thing that I should mention, but actually I think I'm going to save that for another video. I'll probably call it something like, why are some returns still being shipped to my house? So go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss it. I'll be posting that in a couple days. And hey, if you're new to dropshipping, I got a full free course down there, link in the description. It goes over everything that you need to know to get started making money online. But yeah, see you guys in a couple days.